Dave?
What are we doing today? I think we actually have to go pick up the engine from John and maybe get that assembled. If you remember a few months back, we took that out to John, so let's rewind a little bit.
So a few months ago, me and Dave took the boss's new F-150 out, and we took the engine to John Conklin CRE race engines and dropped it off. And now we're going to go pick it up with our fancy new lowered F-150. Hey guys, Dustin from UMI Performance here with one of our buddies and engine builders, John Conklin. We brought the boss's new F-150 out with the lowering kit out to pick up the engine for our 79 C10. John, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you did to the engine?
Hi, I'm John with CRE. We do a lot of engine builds, a lot of performance stuff. We've been doing a lot of UMI stuff forever, but this one's going to be the cream of the crop here. This one's the coolest one. So I started right out of high school. Just had a love for engines, love them. Ended up going out to Michigan when I was 19, working for K-Tech. Worked there for a while, left there, went to Ray Barton's, and then had a harebrained idea I was going to do it on my own. And came back here and been doing it ever since. So we got a short block from Dart. We had to go through it, change the pistons, lower compression, K1 rods, K1 crank, and put her back together with a Tick Performance cam, AFR head, and a Yellow Terror rod, rocker arm. Good piece already.
Enough for the supercharger.
Chargers, two of them.
Two of them.
Yep.
So power-wise, what do you think? What do you think she'll handle?
Anything that you throw at it, it'll handle it.
All right, well.
Challenge accepted.
So.
Yeah. Just don't let Ramey drive it.
It's true. But we're going to get this thing loaded up and strapped down and head back to the shop to be able to continue with the build. So thanks again, John. Appreciate you working it in for us, and we'll let you know when you can drive it.
Yeah, please.
All right, stay tuned. So we just got back from CRE to pick up our race engine. So just to summarize what John said, we have our Dart block. He went through our rotating assembly, checked all the bearing clearances, threw in that fantastic Tick Performance camshaft, threw in those great AFR heads, and went through the top end and push rods, set everything. We also did the pistons and got it squared away. So now that's back at the shop, we're gonna start putting all the accessories on, getting everything on the front buttoned up, and getting those big blowers on, and a couple more goodies from Tick Performance. If you enjoyed that short clip of my face, click here to see the whole episode.